हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीनियस एजुकेशन। आज हम इसमें बात करेंगे कि आर्यंस के बारे में एंड द वैदिक एज के बारे में। तो जानते हैं द आर्यंस कौन होते थे। आर्यंस आर इट्स मीन द हाई बर्थ एंड द वेदस मीन्स नॉलेज एंड कॉन्साइंसेस। लेट्स नो द फैक्ट अबाउट दैट द आर्यंस केम्स फ्रॉम वेयर। यानी बहुत सवाल से होते हैं मन में कि आर्यंस दे केम फ्रॉम द Central Asia to the India around 2000 BC to 1500 BC, and they came into India, even Afghanistan and different part of the Pakistan. In India, Punjab and UP, that is in western UP, these are the some regions in India they came to there, and the region is known as Saptasindhu, where they settled down into India. And the Indus River and the five tributaries were there, and even till now these tributaries even that is present too. These five tributaries names are, this is Bista, Askani, Bipash, and Purshuni, Saturthi, and Saraswati. The Central Asia theory is also proved by the Bojakai inscription, which mention for Vedic gods Indra, Varuna, Mitra and Nastya. यानी इसमें जो सेंट्रल एशिया थ्योरी के हिसाब से हमको पता चलता है कि जो बोजाकाई इंस्क्रिप्शन है उससे ही पता चलता है वैदिक एज जो था ना उसमें कि इंद्र, वरुण, मित्र एंड नास्त्य को दैट इज वर्शिप किया जा रहा था, एंड लोग उसको गॉड मानते थे। एंड ड्यूरिंग द ऋग वैदिक और ईयरली वैदिक एज around which is about 1500 to that is 1000 BC. If we are talking about this economy thought, so there is the beautiful economy system till the India is following this thing, that is mixed economy. In the mixed economy you can found the different things in the mixed process, like as in India there is industries and kind of agriculture, all as these things, but now here such process was happened that time also. And here is the thing that is known as ploggery, that is made by the wood and which was drawn by the ox. And sowing, harvesting, threshing, this knowledge were known by them, and different seasons, these the fact which was new by them. And the use of cows was very well known by the people. And the war is a term is also called as the givisti. And horse is also very important, which is like as cow. If you are talking about polity, then the polity is the process where the society which regulates. Definitely there is a policy process or polity process. The election of king was by the tribal assembly called samiti, and the tribal based assembly were there, and the different assemblies named like sabha, samiti, vidata and gana. Okay, but after I think later Vedic age it was gradually erased, and finally it disappeared. And then Samiti, it was the National Assembly, and Sabha, which was Council of Elders. And king was the man, king who was elected by the tribes, and the king assisted by the different functionaries bodies such as Purohitas and Senani. Purohita yani the advisor of administration, and Senani is the head of the armies. And there was no standing army that time. Sorry, there is just I think we can call no standing army. However, they were a group of infantry and charioteers. There was a tax, and the tax was collected by the king, and this tax is known as bali. And weapons, the people were basically used the time uh, for war and different protection for themselves, such as which was made by stone, woods, bones, and metals, and different things. If we are talking about the society of the Vedic period, then these are different facts known to have be. These are Niship was the basic of the society, yani brotherhood, and which is gives their loyalty to the tribes called Jono. Jono, which was mentioned different Vedas like as Rig, Atharva, and the Sam also. So Bis, which is stand for the tribes, and this is divided into grammar and family, which was that is in Hindi we can call it is the Kulo, and this is a patriarchal family was prevalent at that time. There were four Varnas such as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Shudras, and Vaishnav. If we are talking about the Rig Vedic goddess, then first talk about Rig Vedic god, then after that we will talk about goddess. The Rig Vedic god are, they have the do not particular god, such kind of they believe in nature and they worship to the nature, like plant goddess, sun goddess, all this. जो plant goddess which is known as Soma, and Soma is mentioned in the Soma Mandala, which is ninth mandala of the Veda. And female goddess had Aditi and Usa. And that time there were 8 types of marriage were there. These are different names. We will see the image in the below. And there were some rituals that time. These are Rajasuya, Aswamedha, and Bajapaya. Okay, and then later Vedic age, or we can call it as a painted graveware page. But this storm we will talk on the next time. And this much for today. And thank you. Thanks for joining me.